Today I bring you Hugo, the Gameboy game. This does not work, obviously, otherwise it would not be here, so we will need to see what is wrong with it. I will show you now on the Game Boy what it does. So, as you can see, the Nintendo logo is unreadable. Let's try to pull it in and out, and still unreadable. So let's take a look inside and see what is going on with this Game Boy game. So to open it, we will use this little game bit. Basically, you put it in on top of the screw and unscrew it. I don't have the tool to fit it in, but you can easily do it by hand. To remove the cover, you just slide one down and pull it out, and then we can take the motherboard out. So I've already spotted what the issue might be. It is some corrosion on this little pad over here that connects to the Game Boy. Not sure if you can see, but the pad is a little bit lifted, so what is probably happening is the pin on the Game Boy is not connecting at all with this pad, so because it is lifted. So let's try to clean this up and level the little pad. We start with the cotton swab with a bit of IPA, just to remove the green part of this corrosion. We clean it from top to bottom so we don't lift the pad. I will use the tweezer now to remove this hard rusty part. And now with the toothbrush I'll give it a good rub to remove the remains of this rust. And again with the cotton swab now dried out, we'll go top to bottom again to remove and try to level this little copper pad. And we rub the remaining ones as well, just to make sure they are clean. We'll repeat the process until it is clean and fairly leveled up. Okay, I'm happy with the result. Let's put it inside the case, but before we need to clean it as well because it's a little dusty. Let's go with our toothbrush. And now, still without the screw, let's try it out. we have a readable Nintendo logo. It's taking a while to load. Let's shut it down and turn it up again. And there we go. Infogrames Deutschland. So this is a German game. Okay. So let's see if it plays. Here it is, the Deutsch game. Deutschland means Germany. So let's play it and see if it works. And as you could see, it worked perfectly. So let's put the screw back in and close the game. Hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.